You had a good time, didn't you?
Hey!
But now it's home time. Don't forget to clean.
Hey!
Done. Let's go home now.
Hey! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh no! Maverick, something terrible is happening. We got fire in the woods. We need to do something quickly. This could be a disaster. I think we'll need support. Let's see who's available and ask them for help.
Mama, Papa.
Mia, there is a huge fire in the woods. We need your help. Let's go get Max.
Hey.
Max, there is an emergency. Fire started in the woods. Maverick says that he saw the fire through his telescope. We gotta save our woods, and we need your help. Max, start spreading water over the fire.
Mama, Papa.
You can get that bucket there and use it to spread water too. That's not enough to put out the fire. We need to do something, Maverick. What is it, Maverick? You want to use that water tower? But how? Come on, Mia. You can do it. Yes! She did it! The fire is extinguished. Success! You guys also got a little bit of that water. What is it, Maverick? This empty bottle could be the source of the fire. But how? Glass can focus sunlight, which can then ignite wood and grass. Now I understand. Hi, Marty. What is it, Marty? It was your bottle. You left it behind after the picnic? Now we've discovered what caused the fire. It was the empty bottle left by Marty. Don't Don't worry, Marty. No one got hurt, and we managed to put out the fire. Just remember in future to always clean after yourself. We're so happy that you were going to plant new trees, Marty.
Bad.
You're a very good monster truck. Well done, monster trucks. That was one big adventure. See you next time. Hey, Mia.
Hey!
Oh, you're playing hide and seek?
Oh, mi maman.
You're playing with Mo. I wonder where he'll hide.
Hey! Haha!
Mo, where will you hide?
Aha. Me.
Ah! Ha! Ah!
Ready or not, here she comes. He's in a really good hiding place.
Ha!
Hey. Aha.
Uh-oh, what happened? You read the markings on the wall. It must be magic words. You can't see anything. We'd better call for help.
Oh! Hey!
Hey, Mia, Mo got lost in the cave.
Oh!
Right, I'm sure Maverick can help.
Huh?
Hey, Maverick, basketball training? Well, you might stop it. Mo is lost in a cave. Can you come find him? You want Malcolm to help find him? Right. Malcolm is a great explorer. He knows his caves. Hey, Malcolm, looking for treasure? Maverick needs your help. Mo is lost in a cave. We need your adventurer skills. Can you help? Cool. He's still in there? Right. You better go inside and find him. Mo, are you here? Uh-oh. The situation's getting worse, guys. You see something? You think these words will make the crystals come back on? Okay, give it a try. Guys, it worked! And you found Mo! Uh-oh! I'm not sure those were the right words. You'd better get out of there. That was a close one, guys. I wonder why there were booby traps in that cave. Another mystery for another day indeed. Hey, Mo! Looks like you've organized quite the obstacle course here. Are you explaining the rules? This is a disaster, Mo. No one is listening, and it seems like they'll stop at nothing to win. It's getting out of control. You better call Maverick for help. Great jump, Maverick! Sorry to interrupt your practice, but Mo is holding an obstacle course at his farm, and everyone is pushing and arguing. He could really use your help. That's Mo now! As you can see, this isn't the fun-filled afternoon Mo was planning. To get others to listen, Mike. Maverick would like you to go with him. Maverick and Mike are here to help you, Mo. Guys, what's going on? Mo worked hard on this course. You're not being very nice. Mo will give you another chance to do the obstacle course. What is it, Maverick? There are brand new rules. You'll be in teams of 2. And for each station of the course, the vehicle running the course will be blindfolded. But the other teammate has to guide the blindfolded one through the course. It's all about teamwork, guys. Now let's go. Hey. Pair up. Decide who is running the course and place a blindfold on them. On your mark, get set, go!
Maman. Maman, malade.
Okay, guys, no arguing. You have to listen to Mia.
Blue, babu. Oh, mi maman. Mi maman. Non, non, malade, du coup. Mi naba. Tono, si pa. Pita. Pita. Ha, tono. Mana, ahora. Mana, mana.
Listen to where Miranda tells you the balls are, Marty. Yahoo! You scored!
Ooh, hey. Ooh.
Great job, guys! You've done it! You've just learned that you can do anything as a team. Thanks for your help, Maverick and Mike. See you next time, everybody. Milo! Mitch! Why did you do that to Marty? He said he'd make a better pirate than you. He does spend a lot of time at sea. I know! Maverick can help us settle this. Maverick! Great circus skills! Marty, Milo, and Mitch were arguing, and they dropped Marty in the ocean. Can you stop them fighting? They are arguing about who would be the best pirate. You have any ideas to stop them? Mia, Maverick needs your help setting something up. Do you think you can help? Thanks, Mia. Hey guys, Maverick has an idea to solve your argument. Are you guys listening? Mia is setting up a treasure hunt for you guys to see who really is the best pirate. There are 3 locations where Mia has hidden the treasure. Everyone has a map. Whoever gets the most treasure wins. We will meet on the beach when you're done. Are you ready? Okay, go! Hey guys, all done? It looks like you have one each. That means it's a draw. Let's have a tiebreaker. Whoever can make the best pirate costume wins. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Nice eye patches, guys. Nice earring, Maverick. Marty, you look just like a pirate ship. I think Marty is the clear winner here, guys. Nice shot, Mo. Are you guys waiting for something? Marty didn't show up for the summer paintball games. Good idea. I'll get Maverick to play instead. Great trick, Maverick! Do you want to join Mia and Mo for paintball? You need to join them in the forest now! You'll need this, Maverick.
Whoa.
And these. Ready? If you get hit with paint, it means you're out of the game, okay? All right, you should spread out first. 3, 2, 1, go! Marty, you're late for paintball. You'd better hurry.
Wow. Yay!
Mo must have made a shield. Well, he is good at making things. Impressive, Mo. Now you just have to take out Maverick. Awesome! Marty, look out! That was a short game you had there, Marty. Maverick, Mo got you. Looks like you won, Mo.
Whoa! 나는 살아봐요. 나만 그런가?
We'll see you later, folks. Hi, guys. This is an eerie place to camp, isn't it? Marty and Mia bet you guys that you would be too afraid to camp here overnight? Well, it is pretty dark. Aren't you even a tiny bit scared? Milo was a bit afraid, Mitch, but you're not? You'll probably win the bet then. What was that? Did anyone see that? Whatever it was, it's gone. Maybe we should call Maverick for help. Great jump, Maverick! Sorry to interrupt you, Maverick, but Mo, Milo, and Mitch need your help. That's them now! Maverick wants you to help him catch a ghost, Mike. Maverick and Mike are here to help, guys. It's probably just the wind. Did anyone see that? Maybe our eyes are playing tricks on us. You're right, Maverick. There has to be an explanation for this. What are you looking for, guys? You think someone is playing a joke? It's Mia! You really had everyone fooled, Mia. Mia, you said you came here by yourself? How can that be? It's Marty! There's a lesson here, guys. It's okay to admit when you are afraid of something. Another mystery solved, Maverick. Thank you for your help. You too, Mike. See you next time, everyone.